This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by John Dossett. Pinewood Condominiums are a 55-plus community in a desirable area of Lehigh Acres. Laminate flooring in the living room and bedrooms. Newly replaced water heater as of 2018. This unit has a Florida room with windows off the covered carport. Newly installed ceiling in the carport. Full-size washer/dryer in unit. For more information, review the details below or contact John Dossett at 651-755-3651.